Welcome to BobMath. In this video we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x and y as real number, and we have x greater than or equal 1 and y greater than or equal 1. Show that x y greater than or equal x square root of y minus 1 plus y square root of x minus 1. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. Now we have x greater than or equal 1, so x minus 1 greater than or equal 0. And we know that square root of x minus 1 minus 1 all square greater than or equal 0. So square root of x minus 1 all square plus 1 square minus 2 times 1 times square root of x minus 1 greater than or equal 0. Therefore, x minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 square root of x minus 1 greater than or equal 0. Then x greater than or equal to square root of x minus 1. Now we multiply the inequality by the number 1 divided by 2. So we got 1 divided by 2 times x greater than or equal 1 divided by 2 times 2 square root of x minus 1. Now we simplify the number 2, so we got x divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of x minus 1. And we have y greater than or equal 1, so y times x divided by 2 greater than or equal y times square root of x minus 1. Therefore, x y divided by 2 greater than or equal y square root of x minus 1. We call this inequality 1. In the same way, we show that x y divided by 2 greater than or equal x square root of y minus 1. And we call this inequality 2. Now we add these inequalities 1, 2 side by side. So we got x y divided by 2 plus xy divided by 2 greater than or equal x square root of y minus 1 plus y square root of x minus 1. Therefore, 2xy divided by 2 greater than or equal x square root of y minus 1 plus y square root of x minus 1. Now we simplify the number 2, so we got x y greater than or equal x square root of y minus 1 plus y square root of x minus 1. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.